Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to buy USDT on Payoneer. With Payoneer, users can access their funds in multiple currencies, manage transactions through an online account, and benefit from features like prepaid MasterCards. Payoneer is also a popular way to buy Tether on No One's. First, access No One's. Either log into your existing account or sign up if you're a new user. Upon registration, a free Tether wallet becomes instantly available to you. Next, explore the offer list and log into your account, then go back to this page to see all Tether vendors who accept payments in Payoneer. Survey the Tether vendors on offer and choose the one that aligns best with your needs. Then, review the information within the offer, including the terms set by the seller. This helps you determine whether you fulfill the seller's prerequisites before initiating the trade. Sellers may ask for a screenshot of your Payoneer dashboard, receipts, photo IDs, and other verification forms. If the seller's terms resonate with you, click Buy on the offer listing. You will then be redirected to the offer page. Here, input the USDT amount you plan to purchase and click Buy Now. This action triggers a live trade chat, allowing direct communication with the seller. Now collect your Tether and abide by the instructions provided by the seller. Once your payment gets the green light, the seller will transfer the USDT straight to your No One's wallet. Also, this process takes just a few minutes. After that, you've successfully bought Tether with your Payoneer account in almost no time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.